What's up?
He assaulted me. He trespassed on my property.
Okay, where's the knife?
I can't give you that.
Okay, I need you to take it out of your pocket and give it to me right now.
I can't do that.
Sir, I need you to take the knife out of your pocket.
It's my property.
Sir, I need you to take the knife out of your pocket.
I would be careful with it.
Yeah, no!
Shots fired, 0834. We're notifying state police.
Get up, everyone! I need people back up! Back up! I need everyone to back up!
This is the guy he attacked before.
All right, I'm going to give you the moment.
Aaron, you need to get the knife away from him so I can get him.
Dispatch for Santa Clay.
Okay, you got it.
1 EMS call. Stewards, EPD on scene. Possible gunshot wound.
Aaron,
Repeating for Santa Clay. Priority 1 EMS call. Stewards.
back up. Okay,
EPD on
okay,
scene.
I need you to get the book bag out of my passenger side seat. The book bag out of the passenger side seat.
835.
Yeah, we just called for ambulance. You can give him another call.
Yes, please.
Call the bar or Swain. I got that.
I need somebody's shirt. Can somebody give me their shirt, please? Where did you hit him, Aaron? In the chest?
Yes.
Sir. Unconscious, not breathing.
I need stop for the pressure. It's my property.
Sir, I need you to take the knife out of your pocket.
Careful with it.
Yeah, no!